Hello friends and welcome back to the Ryzen channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful Smart 900 mini PC with powered by flagship Ryzen AI Strix Hello APU. So friend, the colorful has announced brand new Smart 900 mini PC, and the mini PC is a 4-liter system featuring a futuristic design with aluminum and anodized body. In the media claim the system can maintain low operating temperature and responsible noise level under high load, but it's unclear if this is based on the actual testing and just prepared them colorful PR. So friend, the system is powered by the AMD flagship Strix Hello APU. The Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 is a 16-core and Gen 5 processor with Radeon RX 8060S graphics with featuring 40 RDNA 3.5 common units, and this is currently the fastest option available, but it also means that there are no lower tier Hello SKUs, which will clarity impact pricing. And the mini PC is equipped with 96 GB LPDDR5X memory, which is unusual since most similar systems offered up to 128 GB, and often the 96 GB figure is presented as a VRAM specification useful for AI interface with large language model. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.